Hey everybody, I'm Dave with Growing the Home Garden. Today I wanted to show you this spectacular Japanese maple that's right over here behind me. This one is called Germaine's Gyration. And I'll show you why it's called that here in a minute, but this is some of the most amazing fall color I have ever seen from it. And you know, maple trees are wonderful for fall color trees. And this Germaine's Gyration is just fantastic this year. Check out that fiery foliage right back there. Now, it's a dissectum type of Japanese maple, which means it's got the really fine leaf lobes on it that are really kind of narrow, and we'll do a close-up of that here in just a second. It's also called gyration because the branches like to kind of turn and they get a little twisty like they're gyrating. So it makes for a really cool plant for interest. And I've got it planted back here next to our garden shed. So let me flip the camera around and take another look at this. See here, you can see the dissected foliage. Check those lobes out on those leaves. It is just gorgeous. And the color on this maple tree right now has got ranges from kind of a red to an orange, a little bit yellow on the underside of things. And it's just looking really awesome. I just love this fall color on these things. Now, you can see the branches. See how they kind of twist? They're going a little bit wavy right there. Over here around this other side, you've got a little bit of an arc coming in that. And they just twist around a little bit and they gyrate. And look at this gorgeous stem area right here. Just how it's all changing around. Now this was a plant that I got a few years ago from Mr. Maple. Matt and Tim out in North Carolina come out to Tennessee each year to the Nashville Lawn and Garden Show. And I bought this from him one year. I forget what I paid for it. Maybe it was like 30 bucks or something, but it's been here for a while. And it's probably, where are we at here? Size, I'm going to estimate that it's about 6 to 8 feet tall, depending upon which branch you're measuring from. And probably about 10 feet around from end to end. So it's a pretty good size, shorter Japanese maple. We have it next to an arborvitae. That's a globe arborvitae that I probably need to actually trim back. It's gotten a little bit large. But we put it over here back next to our blue garden shed, and it has just done very well. These are a zone 5 to 9 tree. They say that they can go in full sun, but I don't have it in a full sun location. Ours is mostly in the shade right now. I think when we started it was actually, it received a lot more sun than it does today. But this is just excellent Japanese maple, and if you are looking for a Japanese maple that's on the smaller side, that's going to be an accent type plant, maybe next to a house, not right next to a house, you don't want it right on your foundation, but if you can pull out at least about 6 or 8 feet from your house, this would be an excellent plant to choose. I mean, just look at that fall color. Can I say that enough? But if you check out here, really impressed with this tree. This is the best it's ever looked. And we've had a pretty good fall, so it stands to reason that it's really enjoyed this location this year, and it's looking really nice. So I'll include a link in the description for Mr. Maple's channel. They have a YouTube channel that you can go over and watch, and they've got all kinds of varieties of maples out there that you want to check out. If you're a Japanese maple fan, they are people to know and talk to because they really know their stuff. They graft it all, they do it all themselves, they take trips to Japan, they seek out new varieties of Japanese maples to add to their collections and sell to other people like me. So anyway, I'm Dave from Growing the Home Garden. Thanks for watching this short little video on Germaine's Gyration. Hope you enjoyed this little spotlight on this plant, and if you did, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll have all kinds of more garden stuff as we go forward through the year. And have a happy Thanksgiving.